Alright, so everybody's been asking about how you actually tear this thing down, which I should have actually added to that video. But here's the Theragun. Also, people commented about how it's been working like a year later with my makeshift repair. You see it turns on. Everything good. I'll try and show you the mechanical pencil tip once I get in there. But like I said, if this is not working for you, you basically have an expensive paperweight anyway, so don't be afraid to pry into it, but it is a pain. So you just gotta kind of get under these panels. Like I got multiple tools. I don't remember what I used exactly the first time, but try and find somewhere else. So maybe use one. Bad. One screwdriver to get under there. Like it seriously is a pain. See if I can get under this panel by itself. Because I did mention that you don't have to take off the side panels, but I didn't try it before I said that. So we'll see if we can actually get under there without removing the side panels. That sounded like not good. Those tabs are all over the place. I don't know why it's so secure, but that top piece seemed to come off pretty easy after I cracked the other ones. Trying to keep this thing in frame as well while I'm doing this. If you watched the first video, you know I was using that junk octopus arm thing. Went to find it today and I couldn't find it, so I got one of those neck phone holder video viewer things as my cameraman. Like you can see, there are tabs all over the inside of this. Alright, battery died. Or it didn't die, but got too low to use a flash. But as I was saying, there are a ton of tabs across this thing. Just gotta keep getting underneath the side here. Just pry it upward. My bad. So that's that side. Try not to click it back on there, but get it closer so you can see what I'm doing. Just yanking it at this point. So you saw mine was fixed, so if I end up breaking it, just to show you guys this. Hopefully you throw some tips my way or something like that. I'll have the info in the description if you feel like tipping me over it. Alright, so yeah, that's what I fixed last year. There's your panel. And then the video I made last year was that button. Can't focus. Right in the middle of there, like these ones have the buttons. The center power one didn't. Somehow ended up popping out. And I don't know if that'll focus or not. But it's definitely still my mechanical pencil tip glued in there to make the thing work. I mean, so that's how you do the back. So if you're messing with like the LED panel right here or any of these buttons like I had issues with, that's how you can get to that. Try and pop one of these other panels off to show you, because one side of it has the battery in there and the other one I don't remember what's on the other side. Just click her down in. Make sure it still operates. Alright, yeah, we good. Okay. I'm just going in these holes, these like little slices in the side of the plastic. Trying to pry upward with the screwdriver. Then just slide it along. Try and get it in focus again. I'm trying to keep this camera from swaying around for you, make you sick. This is the side too, I believe, now that I got the cover kind of open. Looks like the battery's right there, perhaps. My God. Like you see how it is difficult to pry this thing off. Like I'm honestly surprised though. Like I've read some of the comments saying about contacting their customer service or actual distributors of the Theraguns, and they say that they don't even have a way to contact like a customer support for repairs or warranties and stuff like that, which is kind of bullshit. For I mean, this one was $500 when I bought it. Who knows what they go for now, because I wouldn't buy another one, I don't think. I mean, it works very well for what it is, but I had the issue with the power button less than a year into it. Alright, so my battery died again, so my flash wouldn't work, so I cut the video again. These panels are such a pain in the ass, especially when you get to the round part. But it won't focus, but these little clips on the sides where they go into this round part, there's these little holes, but they go in like underneath, almost like a crab hook. So if you can get something in there and like wedge it outwards in order to pry it off of there, that's how you get it, in order to pop the things off. But I don't even know what that is. But to get to the screws for like the inner parts, probably the battery and stuff, internals, your screws are right there. And that's about as far as I'm going into it, because mine still works as of now. If you have a broken one and you want me to fix it, just let me know. Send it to me. See what I can do. Maybe fix it for you. thanks for watching. If you got any other questions or anything, just hit the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I've been trying to do pretty well with getting back to people on them. I mean, for a while I didn't have notifications on for a while. I don't know why or what happened, but I've been trying to get back to everybody that reaches out in the comments. So if you have questions, just hit me up.